Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video on creating a histogram chart in Microsoft Excel. Imagine a situation where you have been provided with a set of data which is spread across multiple rows and columns. For example, in this set of data, we have the list of students in column A and their marks across column B to column G. However, this data is complex. It would be better to organize this data in the form of a statistical chart, which is also called histogram. The option for histogram is under the insert menu in almost all Excel editors, though the name may vary depending upon the Excel editor. For example, in Microsoft 365, this chart type is called histogram. For Microsoft Excel Online, the name of the chart is statistical. You could find it under the chart section directly, or you could click on other charts and locate the option. Here, the histogram chart is under the statistical option. However, before choosing the chart, we need to select the data. Then click on the option to select the chart. The chart automatically comes in the middle of the Excel page. You would have to shift it so that it doesn't overlap the data. See, the data has been organized in a very simple manner through the histogram chart. You could also format this. Right-click on the chart and select Format. More about this has been explained in this post on the Windows Club. We would be sharing the link to this post in the description section. If you have any questions regarding this, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.